This is latest Itel A70 A665L. I am going to show you how to remove the Google account lock FRP with this tool. You can also factory reset this device if you forgot your screen lock password with this method. Select the brand and model from the list and click on Reset FRP. Press and hold the volume down, and connect the USB cable to the powered-off device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more updates and solutions, and press the bell button to be first to be notified of new videos. You can comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Also, your contribution is also welcome. Thank you for watching. I can unlock any of your device remotely if supported. Contact me for any phone services or server credit purchases and activations of tools license. My Facebook page is J World Techie if you want to reach out to me.